My name is Srinath Vishwanath and welcome to the part 2 of Internet Secret Series. Well, today I'm gonna show you how you can start an e-commerce website, and also I'm gonna show you how you can start dropshipping business. As I mentioned in the previous video, today I'm gonna show you how you can start a dropshipping business, and also I'm gonna show you how you can start an e-commerce website even as a beginner, even if you are not a programmer. Okay, if you stay towards the end of this video, you are going to discover my top secret in starting an e-commerce website and have an unfair advantage of starting an e-commerce website in less than 15 minutes. So let's get started. Well, there are many ways available to start an e-commerce website, but today I will be showing you my own way of starting an e-commerce website. And by far, this is the easiest and fastest way to start an e-commerce website, even if you are a beginner and even if you are not a programmer. Okay, so the method or the platform I use to start an e-commerce website and to start my e-commerce business is Shopify. Shopify is basically a website builder platform which is specifically designed for e-commerce websites. So I use Shopify. I prefer Shopify because Shopify has many third-party plugins like courier tracking, cash on delivery, shipping, and there are hundreds of plugins available which are very useful in running an e-commerce businesses. Okay, so let me quickly show you how you can start your own e-commerce website by sharing my screen. So there are 4 steps to start an e-commerce website, in which step 1 is starting and designing a website in a way that looks both professional and authentic. Step 2 is adding products to sell, and if you don't have products to sell, then we can go with dropshipping model. Step 3 is integrating payment gateways so that our customers can able to pay using their credit and debit cards and also wallets. Step 4 is integrating shipping partners to ship and to deliver our products to our customers. Now, let me show you step by step how you can go through all this process. So, step 1. Go to the website called Shopify and create an account by signing up. After creating an account and logging in, this is the main dashboard where we will be managing all of our e-commerce store. And the best thing about Shopify is not only a website builder platform but also a self-hosting platform, which means our e-commerce website will be hosted by the Shopify itself. Right after signing up with Shopify, our website will be hosted and live on the internet. So to check our website, just click on this icon here and it will take you to the actual website. So this is how our actual website gonna look like. Here everything is customizable. We can change all the colors, fonts, images, backgrounds by just going to online store and click on the customize button. Now from here we can change literally everything like images, colors, fonts, and we can add or remove sections. And also Shopify has many free stock images which can be used to make our website look more professional, and we can select a page here to make edits on it. So now, after customizing the theme to look professional and authentic, then comes the step 2. Step 2 is about adding products onto our website. So to add a product, just go to the products tab and click on the add product button. From here you can easily add your products like adding title of the product, description, images, prices and variants, stock quantity, and also there are many options available here for adding products. So after adding a product, you can check it on your website by clicking on preview button here. So this is how the actual product page gonna look. Again, we can change the colors and everything and customize in customizing section. Okay, but what if you don't have products to sell, and what if you don't have the budget to invest in sourcing of products? Then you can start with dropshipping model, in which we no need to have products to sell and we no need to invest in purchasing products to sell. Instead, we can directly import the products from AliExpress site into our own website and start selling those products. By the way, if you don't know what is dropshipping, then go watch my previous video by clicking on the I button. Now, let me show you step by step how you can start a dropshipping business. So, starting a dropshipping business is again 4-step process similar to e-commerce. Step 1 is again starting and designing the website with Shopify. And then in step 2, instead of adding our own products, we need to install an app called Oberlo from Shopify App Store. Let me quickly show you how to do it. From the dashboard, go to the apps tab and click on visit app store. Then search for app called Oberlo. Here it is, Oberlo Dropshipping. Open it and just click on add app button. Then it will be added to our store. From app section, open the app and this is the dashboard of Oberlo. From here, we will be managing all of our dropshipping business like importing products from AliExpress, fulfilling orders and everything. Now, to import a product from AliExpress, just go to the Manage Product tab and here you can find hundreds of products from AliExpress. You can search for any product you want and Oberlo will show the products from AliExpress. Now, to import a product, just click on the Add to Import List button here and it will be added to a import list. You can see it here. Open it and you can see the product here. Just click on the Add to Store button and it will be added to our store. So after adding a product, go to the product section in Shopify dashboard. Here you can find all the imported products from AliExpress. Make sure you open the product page and make edits to the product name, description, price. Okay, and in dropshipping we need to 3x the price to that of the actual cost of the product on AliExpress so that we can have enough margin of for marketing and profits. Okay, make your product page look good and authentic. So this is how you can able to add products from AliExpress. Okay, now let me ask you a question. Do you like what I have shown you till now? Do you? Then hit the like button below. Well, it will help me a little bit with the YouTube's algorithm in ranking this video. Okay, now we have completed the 2 steps from the 4 step process. I hope you understand these 2 steps, and if you have any doubts or questions you can ask me in the comment section below. So next, step 3 and step 4 are same for both e-commerce and dropshipping. Step 3 is about adding payment gateway to our website so that our customers can able to pay using their credit cards and debit cards and also using wallets. And step 4 is adding best shipping partner to our website to ship and to deliver our products to the customers. So in my next video, which is part 3 of this internet secret series, I'm gonna show you step by step how to integrate payment gateway on your website with which you can accept both national and international payments through credit and debit cards, and also I'm gonna show you how to integrate shipping partners to ship and deliver our products to our customers. And one more thing, I will be showing you how you can provide cash on delivery to your customers, which is very important to run an e-commerce business in India, because when we have cash on delivery available on our website, then people will able to easily trust and place order on our website, right? So make sure you subscribe to my channel, because in next video you are going to discover the best payment gateway to go with and the best shipping partners, and also you will be discovering how to provide cash on delivery to your customers. Okay, so that is the end of this video, and if you like this video then hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the part 3 of internet secret series. And if you have any questions then let me know in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.